Well, this is a Audi A1, and it's the first gen, so there's no real place to put your phone. So I picked up one of these guys, a little phone mount from Amazon. Looks pretty good. I had a similar one in our Audi S3. Just have a look and see what's inside here. So it doesn't really come with much. It comes with the phone holder, and it's a kind of ball swivel style one that's going to clip on. So it just expands as you put the phone in. It grabs hold, and then this little piece, that's the one that makes it work. This is the one that mounts it to the car nice and easy. So shake that out. Metal, so that's good. Pretty sturdy. Ball's metal too, so that's nice. I had seen some stuff that's plastic and it doesn't hold up as well, so nice to see a metal one. Now that sits here, so it's gonna maybe block our hazard button, and the stop start on off should be pretty clear. And it locks in behind these vents, so we'll get to installing here. I think we just need to wiggle these vents forward a little bit, and then you can see it's a little bit countersunk there. That just slides in and the vents hold it in place. Let's see how we get this in real time, how long it takes, because I think it's only going to take a minute. So you might need to get a trim tool here, but actually no, the dash is kind of soft. The foam is kind of soft a bit, little soft rubbery almost. So we can actually probably just, without moving the vents, slide this in, but we don't want to scratch it, of course, so we'll just push on the bracket itself. Oh yeah, that's easy. And then you just get it underneath the lip because of the foam. Are you kidding me? That's it. That's it. It's in there. It's in there, it's solid. That's bloody easy. All right, so we'll do the ball. Now, if you don't know how to use one of these, you screw it, unscrew it, and then you're gonna screw it, you push it on. That's it, snaps in, and then tighten it down, and then it'll lock it in position. So you can adjust the angle and firm it up. Look at that. That's pretty firm. I'll try a phone in there. All right, now see how we go here. Now this one's got a pretty fat case, but that's perfect. If you want to see how far it sticks out, it's pretty slim in line with the dash, which is good. Still see the screen above, and you can still get to the buttons if you need to up the top. So that's a pretty clean and easy fitment.